So a few months ago, I bought one of those disposable camera lenses, and I thought it looked cool, but it was super vignetted around the outside. So I said, this isn't worth it. But I tried something lately, the other day. I put my camera in 1.6 times crop mode, and it takes quite a bit of that vignette away. I mean, it's still there, but it's way more usable than before. So I kind of dig it. I kind of dig the lens. That was a picture I took yesterday of just a random house across from my grandmother's. And it actually looks pretty cool right outside the camera.